Hi, East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Not as busy of a week this week when you compare it to last week and the ice that we had. We do have rain and a few thunderstorms in the forecast and a very small chance for severe weather, which we'll go over. But this is really the biggest story here in the next couple days. It's a cold front that's coming through, and that means that tomorrow afternoon we start with the chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. There's a better chance behind the front on Wednesday for the rain. So we're going to start this tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning, 6 a.m. We've got rain to our northwest. That rain creeps into our area during the day. And then tomorrow night, in those areas where you see yellow and orange, those are the thunderstorms. It's gone by Thursday. Thursday's a really nice day, but then another stronger cold front arrives Friday with highs on Friday potentially in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. Despite wall-to-wall sunshine. Rain chances next 7 days. Tomorrow, really, during the daylight hours, it's just a 20% chance. But that quickly ramps up to a 100% chance tomorrow night during the day Wednesday, and quickly shuts off Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and then begins ramping up again Monday or Sunday and Monday with a 40% chance of rain by next Monday. In fact, next Monday, this storm here has the potential to set up to be a stronger storm system in terms of severe weather. It is a slow-moving low that digs deep into the southwest. There is abundant moisture flow into our area, warmer temperatures, and a cold front that is moving in. So we'll keep an eye on that, but this may produce a severe weather setup early next week, headed Monday into Valentine's Day on Tuesday. All right, let's talk about the temperature outlook here for the next 6 to 10 days. And here in East Texas, we're talking about warmer than average temperatures that are likely, not just possible, not favored, but likely. You'll see this reflected in our 6 to 10 day low temperature trend and the daytime high temperature trend. But I think really more so in the low temperature trend here the next couple of days, we've got morning lows that are closer to our daytime highs. Yes, there are a few cold mornings that are close to average, except for Saturday and Sunday, which are below average. And then we're above average again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I'd say about 6 out of those 10 days, we've got temperatures easily well above average. When it comes to the daytime highs, not as warm. We've got a couple of days where we're about 5 to 8 degrees above average. Otherwise, we're very close to average, if not a little bit below average as we get into the middle part of February. When it comes to rainfall, we're looking at wetter than average likely scenarios setting up here, especially across northeast Texas up into Oklahoma and the central portion of the United States. Above average rainfall is highly likely from St. Louis back to Oklahoma City. So we're sitting kind of on the edge of that. Looks like near average rainfall possible on the west coast and perhaps drier than average down into Florida. So it's an active weather pattern. It's a warmer than average weather pattern over the next 6 to 10 days. That'll carry us through February 16th. We'll let you know as the days come by. We'll break it down day by day for you, of course, and track those weather setups and perhaps even some of those severe weather setups. All right, rainfall outlook over the next 7 days. We're looking primarily at the next 7 days here when you see the totals in the dark reds and the purples and the light blues. But if we try to break this down to the next 2 days, we're looking at anywhere from about 3/4 of an inch to upwards of about 2 inches of rainfall. So a lot of this will fall over the next couple of days, especially Wednesday when we have a 100% chance of rain. In fact, if we just single out Wednesday, you'll see that we're looking at generally 1/4 to about 3/4 of an inch of rain. So Thursday, Friday should end up being dry then. And then Saturday, Sunday also primarily dry. There could be a few showers, I think, Saturday and Sunday in our area. But for the most part, we should be looking at the next 7 days where temperatures or rainfall should amount to about, let's say 1.25 inches upward to 3 to 3.5 to 4 inches of rainfall throughout East Texas. So that's good news. We've been recharging the lakes and the rivers and the streams, and we need to continue to do that. However, the rainfall for tomorrow and tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, it comes with a severe thunderstorm risk. So we have a marginal risk, which means isolated severe thunderstorms. Typically, in a marginal setup, you'll have winds that'll be between 40 and about 60 miles an hour. You'll have some hailstones that'll get close to quarters. And in a marginal risk, you can also have a small outside chance for a quick spin-up tornado. It's there tomorrow. I think the wind threat or the small hail threat may be a little bit more or just slightly higher, and we're not even talking much of a chance at all. But if you look at the severe thunderstorm potential, and we'll start this Tuesday afternoon, you'll see it remains low all right? And then it sort of fades and goes around us. Deep East Texas has the better chance early Wednesday, and by Wednesday afternoon, that severe thunderstorm potential has shifted into Louisiana and the Arklamis. All right, future skycast. So this is Wednesday morning at 3 a.m. Temperatures are in the upper 50s. We have southeasterly winds. These are stray showers are possible during the day. It's about a 20% chance, maybe a 30% chance at one point during the day, but really it looks like Tuesday's primarily dry. We get into Tuesday night, late 9, 10 o'clock. Now we're talking about our 60% chance of rain coming in. There's the front. You can see how the arrows are coming in from the southeast and then the arrows are coming in from the northwest. So there's the convergence along that frontal boundary. That continues into Wednesday morning, and then we have rounds of rain and thunder. Remember, the severe weather threat shifting to the east. So these are just thunderstorms with no severe weather threat with them, but downpours possible. Finally ending Wednesday afternoon about 5 to 5:30. Look at your temperatures. We've fallen into the lower 50s, and we stall there most of the day in the rain on Wednesday. And then Thursday morning, we'll see the temperatures drop all the way back into the 30s. Thursday afternoon, though, a nice recovery as we have more west to southwest winds. Temperatures will warm back into the 60s. Wind gusts tomorrow, southeast, about 10 to 20 miles an hour throughout the day. So on top of the severe weather, we have, or small severe weather threat, we also have a breezy kind of day setting up for us. All right, hour by hour. So here's what I mean by these 30% chance of rain at a particular hour. But overall, if you look at this overall, the hour-by-hour forecast for Tuesday, that's just about a 20% chance of rain, except for, say, around 11 a.m. Maybe it pops up to about a 30% chance of rain. That's it. High temperatures are going to be in the upper 60s, around 68 degrees. Northern counties, 66 at Mount Pleasant. Better chance of rain back toward Sulphur Springs. Likely just cloudy over toward Linden, over toward Pittsburgh, parts of Titus County, Morris County, I should say, staying dry throughout the day. Longview could stay dry most of the daylight hours on Tuesday with a high of 68. Gilmer also up to 68. Tyler right around 68. Henderson and Carthage could pop into the lower 70s under cloudy skies. Palestine and Canton have those rain chances showing up during the daylight hours as the showers start to move in from the west. Over Deep East Texas, you'll find some of the same in parts of Cherokee County and Houston County, where some showers begin moving in from the southwest. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s, low 70s in Deep East Texas with scattered showers and a few rumbles of thunder. And then tomorrow night, we've got the 100% chance of rain. That lasts into Wednesday. Here's the Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. So warmer tomorrow or warm tomorrow, breezy, 20% chance of rain. Colder with rain and thunder Wednesday, 48. 65 and sunny Thursday. Sharply colder Friday, high of 50. Over the weekend, it's dry, but it's chilly, especially Saturday morning, right around 29. And then most of next week, again, with that storm system coming in Monday, looks unsettled and stormy at times. Thanks for watching CBS 19+.